Welcome to day 14 and 15. As you can see from my voice, I am feeling under the weather a little bit, but progress is still being made on this property. Let me show you what we have done so far. All right, so let's quickly go inside. All right, let's go into this room right here. As you can see, not much progress here, except the new HVAC system is going in. Those are the new vents. The HVAC guys were here today and yesterday, pretty much redoing everything, transferring all the vents into the attic upstairs, as you can see. Tomorrow, I think they're gonna start delivering the actual HVAC system and the unit outside. And hopefully this hole will look a lot better once everything is complete. The same thing in the other room. As you can see right here, the new vents are being put in. It is very, very difficult to put vents simply because the sheetrock on these older houses is nothing like drywall. This is literally like concrete. So when you're cutting the boards with the saw, it literally shakes, cracks, and pieces simply fall off. That is why by every single vent, look at this one right here. You can see where the sheetrock completely fell. So all of that stuff will need to be patched up with some drywall mud. May look clean, put the covers on, and it should look good. We bought some more treated wood so we can reframe the bathroom. As you can see right here, this entire beam will be gutted. This one right here will be reinforced. So will that one over here. And we're gonna put these beams a lot closer. Right now, they are pretty far apart. So we are going to reinforce all of these, make it look very strong. That way there's no squeaking in the floor and it can handle all the weight from the water heater to the toilet, to the floor that will be put in, the shower, all of that stuff. We want everything to be secured and perfectly done. That way there's no future problems. As you can see, plumbing is done too. Plumbing in this area is done too. Electrical was done. But the big news is the windows have finally arrived. This is the bathroom window for that empty hole over here. These are the two big windows that will go right here and in that other room. Right now, I'm still missing two windows. The one for the kitchen, as you can see, it is extremely old. And the one for this room. This one is a newer window. I'm not exactly sure if I will end up replacing this one. I might just reframe it, clean it up a little bit, and leave it as is. This is probably the only window in the entire house that was recently replaced by the previous owner. All the other ones are these old aluminum. Look at this. You can literally feel the cold air coming through. So windows will be put in tomorrow in the morning. As you can see, these are the prices that I paid and the size of them. $200 for this big old double-sided window. Then I have another one right here and another one over here. Check them out, they're brand new. Obviously, you'll be able to split these up and have two separate windows. I think we're just gonna put them in as is like this. This is a smaller window as well. So for the windows, we are staying in budget so far. Also in this room, we did get this window as well and this one. So we are only one window short and it is the kitchen. Also, the guy that will be installing the windows is charging me $80 per window. That includes removing all of these older windows, removing the frames, like these right here, and then reframing the entire window, installing the new one. I personally believe $80 is an awesome price to reinstall windows, and especially if he's rebuilding the frames and all of that stuff. Also, he has done an amazing job on the doors, and the windows are going to look amazing when they are done. So over the last 2 days, personally, I have not done much work at all. I have been simply running back and forth to Lowe's to get the lumber, to get the windows delivered, all of that stuff. So that is what I have been doing. Also, I've been a little bit sick, but hopefully once the HVAC system is installed and we get some heat into this house, then I'll be able to get in here, do more drywall work, patch all of these holes up, finish this area right here, and maybe start on the electrical, replacing the ceiling fans, installing new lamps, all of that stuff. So stay tuned for those videos. Also, guys, if you are a homeowner or you have rental properties, make sure you check out Steadily Insurance. Link will be in the description box below. Steadily Insurance insures my own house and my rental properties. They are able to give me the best prices possible with amazing coverage. And they specialize in providing coverage to landlords. So if you have 10, 20, 30 rental properties, give Steadily Insurance a try and see how much money they'll be able to save you. The more money they save you, the lower your mortgage payments are going to be, and the more money you will get to keep in your pocket. And now let's go over to the spreadsheet so I can show you how much money we have spent so far. Let's go. When we take a look at the expenses for day 14 and 15, you will see that I spent an additional $30 on the dumpster so I can have it for 3 more days. I ended up buying a drill and a level for $113.85. I made a copy of the key for the HVAC workers, which was $4.24. Bought some more 2x4s for $65.75. I also ended up buying some 2x6x10s for the bathroom, which were $61.56. And I spent $35.24 on gas. That brings my total expenses to $17,310. As you can see, we are getting closer to the $20,000 mark, and our budget is shrinking by the day. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next one. Peace out.